You just walk into this place and the music is playing, the dolphin is jumping and smiling. It's hard to see the problem. But the dolphin smile is nature's greatest deception. It creates the illusion they're always happy.
Smile, though your heart is aching. Smile, even though it's breaking. When
Nerve central of any dolphinarium is the fish house. And if you go to any one of these fish houses, you'll see bottles of Maalox and Tagamet. And they're used because dolphins get ulcers, because they're all stressed out. You have to see them in the wild to understand why captivity doesn't work. In the wild, they're traveling 40 miles a day. They could be surfing in one area in the morning. The next hour, they could be 25 miles away, feeding or socializing. Dolphins are acoustic creatures. That's their primary sense. The best sonar that man has is a toy compared to the dolphin sonar. When you're in the water, the dolphins can see right through you. They can see your heart beating, they can see your bones, they can see if you're pregnant. They get a lot of information with their sound. The dolphin is captured and put in a concrete tank surrounded by a stadium full of screaming people. At the National Aquarium in Baltimore, when it first opened, the dolphins were dying left and right. They couldn't keep dolphins alive, and they finally figured out it's because the filtration system was making a lot of noise. It's the stress that kills them. So they're very sensitive to sound. That's their primary sense. And that's their downfall in Tai Chi.